Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool image around here, and basically what this is a portable power bank that's from the brand called Anker. So I'm actually opening up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So inside they probably got a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And right here we do have the actual product, and we do have some accessory as well. So let's take that out. So in terms of the accessory that's provided for you guys, they provide guys a little bag to actually put the power bank inside. And inside the bag, they provide guys a charging cable. So let's take it out. The cable that they provide for you guys inside is a USB-C to USB-C cable. Last but not least, we do have the actual product here. So let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So right here we do have the button for it activated. Right here we do have the brand logo Anker. And when you guys feel the material that's on here, it feels really soft and very smooth. But when you guys turn this side, you guys can see that there's a USB and a USB-C option. And both of these are quick charging and power delivery option. If you guys are curious about the input or output that's on here, they provide guys all the information right here. But see, when you guys take it out, the product is so small and compact, so that way you can bring it along with you guys anywhere. And like I mentioned, for this product, I actually give you guys 10,000 mAh, so you definitely charge like an iPhone device like 2 times full charge. But if you guys are curious about what is the max output that's on here, the USB-C power delivery is 18 watts. And the USB is 12 watts. And as always for all the Anker portable chargers, it actually has a built-in protection. So that way you guys don't have to worry about the product overcharging over time or overheating as well. So that is everything that's on the product. Let me just turn it on and charge it up to show you guys how it works. So we're pressing this button, that will activate it. You can see we do have 2 lights on. So that means the battery that's on here is actually pretty low. And if you guys notice on the product, if you guys tap it 2 times, it'll pop on a green indicator light, and that will let you guys know that it's on the trick charging mode. So that way you can use it for charging stuff that requires like 1A or 2A speed. And then once it's done, you can double tap it, and that will turn it off. Let me actually plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So for this test, I'm gonna use a USB-C cable to USB-C cable right here. That's from the Anker brand. They call it the power line flow. So when it's open up, you can definitely see how long the cable is on here, and the way how to design it is tangle free, so that way you guys don't ever have to worry about the cable tangling over time. So for the other end, I'm gonna plug it into the wall charger, and then for this side, I'm gonna plug it in. If you can see, once you guys plug it in, it definitely does work. But let's try to see whether or not we can charge our device at the same time while charging the power bank. So right here, I do have my USB to lightning cable. So if you guys plug it in, and then the other side, I'm plug into my iPhone. Alright, so it doesn't look like it works when you guys are charging the power bank. Let me actually unplug the cable and try again. So let's unplug the cable. If you guys try again, it does work. So I guess when you guys are charging the portable power bank at the same time while charging your phone, it does not work. It only works for one or the other at the time. But when you guys do a side-by-side comparison, you can definitely see the difference that's on here. You can see how much smaller the power bank is to my phone. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to end the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable charger that has a similar design that's on here that's super compact and portable, that give you guys the power delivery for USB-C and also the quick charger for the USB option. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.